Hi guys, this is Tarini and you're watching iTarini. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to shave your face properly. Like this is going to be a detailed video on how to shave your face. And also I'm going to be telling you all some do's and don'ts of face shaving, and also we're going to be bursting few myths about face shaving. So let's start. So first of all, we should always start shaving on a clean face. So here I've washed my face, and so we'll be needing just two products to shave our face. And the first and the obvious product is this, a razor. Now this is an eyebrow razor, and this is how it looks like. Yes. So this comes with a cap like this which covers the razor, and I bought this from Amazon, and it comes in a pack of 3 like this, and it's from the brand Tinkle, and the price actually varies because of different sellers, and you'll mostly get it around rupees 200 to 250. Now coming to the second product, now listen carefully. If you have like oily face, then you should use a talcum powder. Just use some talcum powder on your face and then start shaving your face. If you come under dry skin type, then you can use facial oils like these. Now this is from Good Vibes, or if you don't have any facial oils, you can always use coconut oil, but don't use a lot, just take a little bit, and yeah, then you can shave your face. Or else you can also use aloe vera gel or any gels, okay? Now if you have sensitive skin type, then you can use aloe vera gel or cucumber gel like this. Basically you can use any gels, but what aloe vera gel does is it soothes your skin and calms it down. So it's better to use aloe vera gel if you are having sensitive skin type. Now let's just start with the process, like the actual process. Now if you're using aloe vera gel, then make sure that you section your face and then shave your face section by section, okay? Now if you use aloe vera gel on your entire face and then start shaving, by the time you complete this section of your face and go to another section, the gel gets absorbed into your face and it's of no use, right? That's the reason. Just apply some gel on one section, shave it, go to another section, apply the gel, and then shave it again, okay? Now I'm taking a little bit of aloe vera gel and just applying it on this area, and now let's start shaving. Now guys, always remember you should keep your razor parallel to your face, okay? Suppose this is your face, keep it parallelly to your face, okay? And then start shaving. And also make sure that you shave in downward direction. Never do it upwards, always go downwards. Now see, now just keep it, hold it in this way and shave it across your face. Can you guys hear the sound? And also make sure to stretch your skin, okay? Can you guys see this hair? So this is the hair. I know it looks gross, but yeah, that's that. This is the hair. Now just taking it on a cotton pad. Just make sure to cover every single part, okay? Now this redness is normal and it goes off in like some time, so yeah, don't worry. Now coming to another section. Now let me just show you all the mustache area or the upper lip. Okay, just take some gel, apply it. Now we are done with the upper lips as well. If you can't shave your upper lip area, then you can take support with your tongue, okay? Like you can do this and shave like this, okay? To be honest, I don't have a lot of facial hair, but I like to shave my face because it helps to get rid of all the dead skin. But I have never shaved my eyebrows, okay? Like honestly speaking, I'm blessed with good shaped eyebrows, so I don't have to go out and get my eyebrows done. I've just got them done twice till date, that's it. So yeah, now let's go on to another section. Take some aloe vera gel, apply it. And start. This is all the peach fuzz and it's all gone. The main reason why I shave my face is it becomes soft, guys. Now coming to the last section, which is our forehead area. The same thing, okay? Taking some aloe vera gel, applying it. Now you should be really careful in this area, okay, while doing this area. Don't go near your eyebrows if you have never shaved your eyebrows, okay? I'm just going till here, not even close to my eyebrows. Yeah, hair. Now coming to this side. Now there's a myth that if you shave your face, you'll end up having faster and thicker growth of your hair. That's totally wrong, guys. I've been shaving since quite some time now, and I have never experienced such things. Now coming to the unibrow thing. Now what I'm doing is I'm just tilting this eyebrow razor and shaving it. Yep. And the same goes with this side as well. Yep. That's it. We are done. Yep, that's it, and we are done, guys. Now look at this hair. Gross, I know. After shaving your face, you can use some micellar water on a cotton pad and then wipe off your face. But since I have sensitive skin, I'm just using some toner. You can also use rose water. And now clean your face. So after this, I'm using some cucumber gel, and this is from Good Vibes. This is how it looks. So this is how my face looks after shaving. I hope you guys can see the difference. Like, my skin became so soft. And can you guys see the glow? Yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. If you all find this video helpful, then please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.